Hey YouTube, welcome to Sans Well. What's good everybody? I hope you guys are doing wonderful today on this beautiful fall, morning, night, noon, afternoon, I don't know, whatever it is for you. I hope you guys are doing fabulous. I'm here to do a review. It's just that simple. A review of a product that will help enhance my life. And I gotta find the product first. I don't know where I put it. So give me a second while I go rummage around my room for this product. Okay, so I'm back. So in the mail today I got this product that's called Tint My 4-Tip Brow. I hope you guys can see that. Yeah, so I was actually scrolling through Instagram and I came across this sponsored ad. I think Instagram knows that I don't have any brows. From my pictures, it's like,
she needs brows. Let's fly her feed with brow sponsorship ads.
and so I was like,
Yeah, Instagram, you're right. I don't have any brows, and thanks.
it says it was a free product, basically, and you had to pay shipping. And the total came up to about $13. And it's supposed to be this so I'll say that everything is in Chinese, Mandarin, Japanese. My language knowledge isn't up to par. But it's supposed to mimic the microblading look or blade and give you hair-like strokes on your brow. Color that I got, it doesn't even say, but it's a brown. I hope you guys can see that. It's a brown, I assure you. Alright, so I'm gonna go clean off the brows that I currently have because they're not mine. They're Wonder Brow brows. So give me a moment as I go and clean my brows off. So what I have on my eyebrows right now is the Wonder Brow product, and you would think that, you know, it's waterproof. I think it was water, or it lasts 3 days as it advertised, for probably a week or a month, and then after that it started to transfer, and because I have oily face or oily skin, it would easily wipe off. So I don't know if it's because the product started drying out, but after a while it doesn't do what it says it's supposed to do. And I'm always disappointed with these brow products. So can somebody out there make something that actually benefits the non-brow having folks like myself, please and thank you. I'm here and waiting. Time is ticking. Okay, anyways, so this is the product right here. As you can see, it has the microblading needles. And this is what you'll do or use to kind of make your strokes on your eyebrow. I'm just gonna dive on in. All right. So they said to be very light-handed, and I can't rub that off that I just did, so yeah. Alright! We have the first brow done, and it does not transfer. Oh my gosh. I mean, it does a little, but it's nothing crazy. I'm just gonna have to work on my strokes because these strokes look like a 5-year-old did them. But I'm definitely seeing the hair-like effect happening. So it says it's supposed to be waterproof up to like 12 hours. That's what it says on the Instagram video. I'm not sure how true that is, but I can give an update. So I'm honestly trying to follow the direction of my actual eyebrow hairs. That looks pretty darn good, guys. I'm actually pretty impressed. Oh! Really impressed. And I like it. Let me put the cap on it before it dries out because it is a marker felt tip type of thing. I wonder how much so it is definitely a marker. So you know, as a kid, have you ever tried opening a marker and you see like that plastic, like it's a cotton material inside of a plastic tube? Well, this is what it sounds like inside. But guys, this eyebrow contouring thing, amazing. I like it a lot. I'm just gonna have to work on my strokes because girlfriend, these strokes, if you guys can see, they are not the best. But from afar, you know, could, you know, pick me up a couple lads or two. Hey, lads! I'm shooketh. So this product was from Instagram. Alright, so I'm just gonna get myself together and give you guys my final thoughts on this product. My final thoughts. I know, I'm super close to the camera. I'm so sorry. But I have to do this product justice. It's S-U-A-K-E, Sucky? I don't know. And this is it here. And I got it off of Instagram. But can you see my eyebrows? Bro, where have this product been? I mean, I can't give it all the great, you know, acclamations as yet because I haven't seen how it holds up. But surely, as of right now, there are no transferring, nothing, and it looks like I have actual eyebrow hairs coming out of my head. Oh, I've been waiting for this all my life. Oh my gosh. So I definitely recommend this product. $13. I'm not sure of the original price. I will look that up and add it somewhere here on the screen, and I'll also try my best to find it and link it down below just in case Instagram isn't showing you guys the same ads as it's doing myself here, and that's probably because I don't have any brows. But nonetheless, I recommend this product here, and thank you guys for watching and seeing me go through this wonderful experience because now I'm a happy human being. I have brows. And when y'all see me, y'all know I don't have a problem. I'm like, hey, but it was the Sulky product that did this, that gave me these lovely brows. Can we take a moment?
Amazing.
Sorry, my skin is kind of acting up, but can we take a
Amazing.
moment?
Amazing!
I'm here for it. I just want to say that I'm here for it. No shame in my game. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Bye!